Hello, so glad you're joining me today. I want to share with you a short little book called Water Play, and then we're going to do a little science experiment. So here's the book, Water Play, and it's written by Amy Algie, and it's published by Pearson Education Canada. So it's very short and just shows us some things, maybe some new things that you haven't done with water yet. Water Play. Made a paper boat. What can you do with water? See the different ideas? You can pour water. Funnels, watering cans are so fun to pour water with. Here they've made their own fountain using milk jugs and putting them in different levels so they pour into each other, or you could use a toy to do that too. You can color water by adding juice crystals or gelatin. If you have blue and yellow and red, you can make all the colors. Yes, because blue and yellow together makes green, red and blue make purple, red and yellow make orange, all mixed together can make a brown. You can freeze water. Maybe you want to make icicles, popsicles. You can float things on water. Here they're blowing things that they're floating on top of the water. And we did floating and sinking before. Do you remember that? And there they are having a boat race with straws and water. And that's something you could do too. Which of these things float? Which things will sink? Remember how we did our floating and sinking? Yeah, here's a few extra little things that they have there to try if that's what you want to do. One of the fun things that you can do too, because our snow is melting here, you could go outside, and if you live on a little bit of an incline, you might see water running down the street, like right by the sidewalk in the gutter, and maybe you can make a paper boat or a boat out of a leaf and see how fast it will float. Maybe have some boat races there, or find a puddle and see what things will float. Splashing in puddles can be fun and messy. Always make sure you've got your mom's permission, okay? But right now we're gonna do a science experiment. So I have a glass here and I've put some popcorn kernels in it, and I'm gonna add some water and baking soda. So I mixed the water and the baking soda together in this one, and I see that it's kind of not all coming out, but let's just see what happens. And then we're going to add some vinegar to that. Whoa! And make sure you have a bowl or something, because sometimes it spills out. We'll just, whoa, add a bit more. Can you see what's happening to the popcorn kernels? Now that the foam's gone, do you see that they are floating and sinking and floating and sinking? Do you see them there going up and down? When we put vinegar and baking soda together, it makes a gas called carbon dioxide. And when that gas sits on a popcorn kernel, it will make it float up, and then the bubbles will pop, and then it will sink back down again. So it goes up and down, up and down. Can you see those dancing popcorn kernels? Maybe I should add a little bit more water. I've lost a lot inside. We'll see if we can see them floating and sinking a bit more. Are they still going to do it? Can you see it? Kind of cloudy now, but they're going up and down, up and down. kind of like dancing popcorn kernels. So when they're going up, they've got lots of carbon dioxide attached to the kernel. And when they go down, that means a lot of the carbon dioxide has popped and that gas has escaped. So they float down again. You see them going up and down? Maybe you want to try that at home. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are important. You are very, very loved, and you can do hard things. Talk to you later. Bye.